Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Use Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily check the battery level of your MARSHALL KILBURN III on the Android phone. So at first we have to have our application installed. If you don't have your application installed, call the MARSHALL Bluetooth, check our channel because we have a video for that. But if you have, go to your application, which I do have somewhere on my phone, and here in this application you have to wait until you connect to your speaker. So let's now pair our speaker with the application and tap add, and here you'll be seeing your battery level per. Wait a moment, let's skip the tutorial. 72%. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.